At a local fair, a raffle is being held. 1,000 tickets are sold, $20 each. By the way, does anyone know what that picture is? No. Even worse. It's one of the newer concoctions at the. You probably don't want to know. A fried stick of butter. Is that the most disgusting thing you've ever heard? But that's what they're making. I don't. People who just have a death wish. I don't know. Oh. Or to the shortest. That's awful. It's a fried stick of butter. Whoa. Oh gosh. I don't think anything can make that better. What I'll get is, no, I don't want to understand it ever. All right, so we have a local raffle. We have a first place prize, second place prizes, and a third and several third place prizes. And also in the directions it says determine the expected net value of one ticket sold. So we added the word net in there, which we'll deal with as we go through the problem. But first off, what are your possible outcomes? What could possibly happen when you buy a ticket? So what do you mean nothing? Yeah, so I'm going to write that at the end. You could lose. Oh my gosh. Lose. What else could happen? You could have first place. What else? Or third. So you want to consider your possible outcomes. To each outcome, we're going to assign a probability and a payoff. What's the probability of getting first place? 1 out of 1,000. Times. Be careful with the payoff, because we can do with the net. One more time? Good. So the payoff is you would win $1,000, but you had to pay $20 to do it. So how much did you really win? $980. I know. And then they say I won $1. It's like, no, you broke even. Yeah. Or, what's the probability of getting second place? 1/500. Yeah, you can reduce that if you want, but I'm going to keep it as 2 over 1,000. Times. And what do you get for, what is your net payoff if you win second place? 480. Is everyone okay so far? Plus, what's the probability of getting third place? Times, yep, you win $200, but you had to pay $20 to do it, times 180. Plus, well, how many tickets are winners? Out of how many total tickets? 1,000. So how many tickets are not winners? So 987 tickets are losers. Sorry that the pen's acting up. Over 1,000. Is that okay? Times. What are your net winnings of losing? Negative 20. Good. So again, write down your possible outcomes. To each outcome, write a probability and its corresponding payoff. Or is implied because you're only buying one ticket. Now, if you think about it, if you've ever entered a raffle before, are you expected to win? No. What's our expected winnings here? I know, what was I thinking? Alright, so every time you play the game, you're expected to lose 16 bucks. Don't play the game.